fixed, Instagram cannot edit captions. So first of all, make sure that your app is up to date. For that, get to your app store. Then from here, simply search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, here you can see that, and in here if you see an update button, all you need to do is tap on it, and within few minutes your Instagram will be up to date, and see if that fixed the issue. If it still did not, then try to offload the application. For that, what you can do is get to your settings, then from here tap on general, and in here simply tap on iPhone storage. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll get to see Instagram. Tap on that, then tap on offload app. Tap on offload app one more time, and within a few seconds your Instagram will be offloaded. Then you'll get to see a reinstall button. Tap on that, and within few minutes your Instagram will be reinstalled back on your phone. After doing that, I'm pretty sure the issue will be fixed, but if it still did not fix, then it might be issue with your account having an action blocked. So if you have been liking, commenting, or following too many accounts in short period, Instagram may place a temporary action block on your account, limiting your edits. This usually lifts automatically in 24 or 72 hours, so you don't have to worry about it. After 1 or 2 days, you might be able to edit your caption on Instagram. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.